Good morning. Today we are going to discuss the next mode of transport, that is the air transport. Okay. In the previous class we had discussed two mode of transport, that is land and water. It is the third main transport, that is air transport. Okay, as you know that according to the name air, okay, we can say that it has many advantages. So let's see about the advantages. First, it is the fastest means of transport. You have to remember, it is the fastest means of transport. Second, as you know that it is the fastest, it means it is the costly and expensive, okay, but it is comfortable. We can write here, it is comfortable and prestigious mode of transport. Okay. Now we are going to see third, that is, you know that in India there are different physical regions. We can say that physical landforms, like we can say that there are oceans, there are desert, there are mountains, but you know that air transport can cross any type of physical region. So we can say that it can cross, okay, any difficult physical region. For example, okay, desert, mountain, okay, and forest, ocean. Okay, now we are going to see that fourth. You know that air transport can connect different cities, different countries, different okay, countries of the world. So we can write here, it connect remote areas of the country. Remote areas of the country and world. So these are the different advantages you have to remember. It can be asked in the examination as a question, that write down the advantages of the air transport. Now we are going to see that which type of services are provided by air transport in India. So let's see. Okay, you know that air transport are divided into two services, that is, one is domestic, okay, and second is international. So let's see about the services of air transport. One is domestic and another is international. Now first is domestic services are provided by different private and public services, like we can say that Indian Airlines, Alliance Air, okay. Then Pawan Hans Helicopter Limited, okay, and different private service. Now we are going to see that international services. You can write here Sahara Airlines, Air India. Okay, now you see that पवन हंस हेलीकॉप्टर की अगर हम बात करें तो इट प्रोवाइड हेलीकॉप्टर सर्विस, ओके, टू द, वी कैन से दैट इट प्रोवाइड services in emergency to the inaccessible part of the country. Which type of country? Inaccessible. What inaccessible? We can say that Jammu and Kashmir, Uttarakhand, these are out of reach. ओके ये जो एरियाज़ हैं वहाँ तक पहुँचना बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है, तो अगर कोई इमरजेंसी होती है तो उस वक्त, ठीक है, पवन हंस हेलीकॉप्टर जो है ये अपनी सर्विस प्रोवाइड करता है। बाकी प्राइवेट सर्विसेज जो हैं वो अपनी सर्विस डोमेस्टिक सर्विसेज में प्रोवाइड करते हैं। और अगर हम सहारा एयर इंडिया की सहारा और अगर एयर इंडिया की बात करें, ठीक है, तो ये हमें इंटरनेशनल सर्विसेज प्रोवाइड करते हैं, ठीक है। तो लेट्स सी अबाउट, हाँ, लेट्स सी अबाउट देम दैट व्हेन डिड द फर्स्ट जो है एयर ट्रांसपोर्ट जो है हमारे इंडिया में शुरू हुआ था, तो वी कैन से हियर इन 1911, ओके, first air service was started in India. And when did the air transport has been nationalized? So we had seen, we had discussed about it in the previous class in 1953. It was a nationalization. Nationalized. Okay. Then we will see that about the international service. So let's see about the international service. International service of International Air Authority of India has been managed by 4 major cities or 4 major airports, that is situated in Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai, okay, and Delhi. These are the, you know that these are the 4 metropolitan cities and they manages International Air Authority of India. International Air Authority of India, you will see okay, different 4 major international airport of these major cities. So let's see about these major cities. You have to remember this can be asked as the matching question. Indira Gandhi International Airport is situated in Delhi. Jawaharlal Nehru International Airport is situated in Mumbai. Meenambakkam International Airport Chennai. Okay. And the fourth one is I'm writing again because it is very light. Indira Gandhi International Airport, Delhi. Jawaharlal Nehru International Airport, Mumbai. Okay, third, Meenambakkam International Airport, Chennai. And fourth is Subhash Chandra Bose International Airport, that is in Kolkata. Okay, you have to remember these international airports with cities. Okay, and this is about air transport. We will study again detail in the next class. Thank you.